Universal relations. So I think what do you mean by universal relations? So simply universal relations means the set. Suppose a set K A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay. So you can write on your own way too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If one or each and every element should be connected to each other, then we have to call it universal relationship. What statement has saying? Let's see. Relations capital R on a set capital A is called universal relations. কেতিয়া কোৱা হ'ব যেতিয়া যদি ষ্টেটত ইচ এলিমেণ্ট অফ কেপিটেল এ থকা প্ৰতিটা এলিমেণ্টে যদি আনটো এলিমেণ্টৰ লগত এভৰি এলিমেণ্ট শুড বি কানেক্টেড টু ৰিলেটেড টু ইচ আদাৰ দেন উই হেভ টু কল ইট universal relations. Okay, now see here R is equal to A cross A. So why we have to write A cross A? Because suppose A cross A means then after we are doing the A cross A, then we are getting ordered pair. Okay, 1 1 1 3 2 2 2 4 whatever. So you will get it. Okay, so the universal relations because each and every element where exists in the set was connected to each other. That's why we have to call it universal relations. Now see, capital A is equal to 1 2 3. R is equal to A plus B less than or equal to 6. Suppose then all the elements should be what happened? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 3 plus ultimately adding these values it must be less than or equal to 6. So ultimately it was an universal relationship because all the elements in the set are connected to each other and that's what satisfies the relations. যিটো আমাক relation to satisfy কৰি আছে. Then every element of capital A is related to every element of capital B, so R is an relations on A. Now we have got various kind of relations. So I think the second year students already they have got one is reflexive relations, symmetric relations and transitive relations. So what do you mean by the transitive reflexive relations? Reflexive means it's simply A comma A belonging to R. In place of A, the elements should be equal. যদি এটা 1 থাকে এটো 1 আহিব লাগিব 2 থাকিলে এটো কি আহিব লাগিব 2 আহিব লাগিব the element be like this. Okay, then we have to call it reflexive relations. Then symmetric means the reverse process should be satisfying in here. Suppose A আৰু B ইয়াতে R ত আছে then উল্টা টু ইয়াত থাকিব লাগিব B টু আগত যদি আহে A টু আগত আহে তেতিয়া ৰিলেশনশিপ আমি এক্সিস্ট কৰিব লাগিব that ordered pair should be satisfying on the relations. Then we have to call it symmetric relations. Means যদি AB থাকে B এ থাকিব লাগিব. Transitive AB যদি থাকে BC যদি থাকে then first আৰু 4 element should be এটা first element এক যদি ধৰো 2 3 4 the first element A, the fourth element is C. AC is also belonging to R. Ultimately if AB is belonging to capital R, BC যদি capital R থাকে then it should be mandatory that AC belonging to capital R, then it has called transitive. Otherwise doesn't belonging to R means it cannot be transitive. Okay, got it? The another thing, if reflexive, symmetric and transitive on a relation, suppose the relations will get in the forthcoming, suppose relations reflexive, symmetric আছে transitive এই গোটেইকেইটা ৰিলেশ্যনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত যদি satisfy কৰে then we have to call it equivalence relations. Ultimately each in a relations if it satisfies the reflexive conditions, if it satisfies the symmetric conditions, if it satisfies the transitive conditions, then all the condition is fulfilled or satisfying, then we have to call it equivalence relations. Okay, so that was the definition of the equivalence relations. I have already told you that a relations capital R on a set A is called equivalence relations when it was equivalence relations when it is satisfying reflexive criteria, symmetric and transitive, then we have to call it equivalence relations. Now example so here example ki this 1 2 3 is a relations here pura moi order pair bu uliaisu 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 3 and 2 3. Okay, sorry to dia asa ma R2 reflexive hoy but symmetric aro transitive no hoy. Here clearly said that this is the set. From this set the relation has given, so show that R2 only reflexive hoy but symmetric and transitive no hoy. So it very clear, very easy it was. Effort R plus 1 1 2 2 3 T, as I said in the reflexive conditions elements should be equal. element বিলাক কি হ'ব লাগিব equal হ'ব লাগিব 1 1 equal 2 2 3 3 those are belonging to capital R, isn't it? And that's why it was reflexive. But তুমি চোৱা 1 2 আছে ইয়াতে but 2 1 নাই, 2 3 আছে 3 2 নাই, the reverse is not satisfying in here, so it cannot be symmetric. 1 2 আছে but 2 1 doesn't belonging to R, that's why it cannot be symmetric. On the same way, what we have to call the transitive, it's mean the first element and four elements should be make an order pair. Suppose it first element or four element, okay, this is an order pair, 1 2 belonging to capital R, 2 3 belonging to capital R. It is necessary 1 3 also belonging to capital R, but unfortunately in capital R that was not existed. 1 3 we have not got in here. I mean 1 3 yate napam, যেটো কোন এটো কি নহয় ট্রানজিটিভ নহয়. So that's why we are already sure that the R is reflexive হয়, symmetric হয়, but transitive নহয়. Okay, clearly I think all of you were understood this, and if you have problem or if you don't understand, don't feel shy or hesitations to ask me the questions. Okay, so you can ask me questions directly. Okay, মই ভাবিছোঁ